In case you missed it, this week the Drug Enforcement Administration DEA Museum and Visitor Center held another lecture series regarding the negative effects of illegal drugs on the environment. And here to talk more about that lecture is Carlos Briano, the Public Information Officer for the DEA El Paso Division. Welcome, Carlos. Now, what was the lecture series about?
Hi, Stephanie. Thank you. Yes, as I've shared before, the DEA Museum annually produces a series of educational lectures designed to inform and educate the public in matters related to the mission of DEA. Some of the past topics have included drug trends, science and forensics, collection objects, the exploits and accomplishments of the men and women of the DEA. But this past Tuesday, the lecture was titled Illegal Drugs and the Environment.
Now, I never really thought about that perspective. What was discussed?
Well, for nearly 50 years, Stephanie, the DEA has conducted operations in remote forests, in jungles, and deserts worldwide to stop illegal drugs from harming the safety and health of Americans. Unfortunately, in every location, clandestine drug cultivation and production leave shocking environmental devastation. DEA agents and forensic specialists encounter rainforests in Central and South America cleared for coca and opium poppy fields and banned toxic pesticides used in marijuana grows in U.S. national forests. Tons of hazardous waste and chemical byproducts of industry for methamphetamine, for cocaine production. They're all discharged into African, Asian, Central, and South American waterways every year. So the panel discussion, which was moderated by Curator of Education Josh Edmondson, was very eye-opening. It was shared, first-hand experience was shared, knowledge, observations from DEA experts, including a couple of our senior research chemists.
And then so the lecture was streamed live on Tuesday. How can our viewers who missed that see it now?
Very easy, just simply visit deamuseum.org. This particular lecture is already on demand, as well as some of the past lectures from the past. Again, that website is deamuseum.org. This could be another great way to broach the subject with our loved ones, especially those who care about protecting our environment.
All right, Carlos. Well, thank you so much for joining us. We enjoy having you here every week, of course.
Thank you.
And we'll be right back after